Okay, look, the old SEO playbook is dead. We need to stop talking about just building links.
The entire goal has shifted. It's not about a simple metric anymore. It's about proving you're the real deal.
Your traditional link building tactics, they just don't cut it anymore. AI has totally changed the game.
And here's the key. AI has to trust your brand. Old tactics just don't build that kind of confidence.
So how do we build that trust at scale? The answer is simple, an approach we call digital PR.
Now, this isn't about begging for links. It's about creating stories that journalists actually want to cover.
It's a whole system. We're talking narrative, data, building real authority, not just doing outreach.
We use a proven 4-step framework for this. Let me just walk you through how it works.
Step 1, and honestly, this is where most brands get it wrong. It has to start with a story.
This small shift in thinking is huge. It's about your audience's problems, not your linking page. Next, even with a great story, you need a hook, something surprising that grabs their attention.
You know, things like surprising data. This is what makes a journalist actually stop and read.
Step 3 is simple. We make their job easy. We package everything up so they can just run with it.
And finally, we target our outreach. We don't just blast out emails. That's spam. We are strategic. This framework works for any business. Let me show you an example with a small local contractor.
See, we didn't pitch them. The story was about the universal pain of renovation regret. It's relatable.
And the results? Major placements. These are huge signals of trust, not just backlinks.
Okay, here's another one. A client who swore they had nothing interesting to talk about.
So we found this incredible cultural insight about Gen Z and dating. That became our headline.
The campaign generated over 500 media placements. We're talking New York Post, Toronto Sun, incredible.
So why does all this matter so much right now? Because search engines are amplifying brands they trust.
That's why we need to stop calling it link building. What we do is authority engineering.
So the question for you is simple. Are you building links or are you ready to build real trust?